Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate WooCommerce with Google Analytics. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that we are using. Most often is going to be WordPress that you have go ahead and used for running your WooCommerce store. If this is the case, go ahead and open up WordPress and log in. From here, we can get started managing our plugins. So you can either go into the plugin section right here, or we can go directly to the WooCommerce.com website right here. In WooCommerce, you are going to go ahead and open up the extension store right here. As you can see, I have opened up the extension store, and from here, I have used the search bar to search for analytics. Once I have searched for analytics, it's going to go ahead and give me the result of all the applications and extensions that are related to analytics. As you can see, the first one that is going to appear is called Google Analytics for WooCommerce. This is what you want to open up. Go ahead and open up this extension. By opening up this extension, this is going to enable us to go ahead and add to your WooCommerce store. So you can go ahead and add it to your cart to buy it, or take a look at the view demo option right here to go ahead and install it and check it out how it works before buying it. So basically, by using this option right here in this extension, this is going to enable you to go ahead and integrate Google Analytics with your WooCommerce store. So click add to store. After that, you can get started going back to WordPress, setting up your plugins and your WooCommerce store, and connecting and integrating Google Analytics plugin and extension into your store, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.